Watch TV.
Takoradi here is the receiving end. Okay, so when we talk about the effluent management, because all the liquids that are being pushed through the pipeline is going to be received in Takoradi here. And you don't want to launch the pig when you are not ready to receive the effluent. So all of this is happening to make sure we're going to start the launch. The first pig will be launched on the 5th of February. The first pig will be launched on the 5th of February. Now, given that this time may take about 4 to 5 days to actually get to Takoradi here. So that is the first pig will be launched around the 5th of February. Or let me put it that way. Let me correct myself. The operations will start on the 5th of February, but the first pig will be launched on 7th. The pigging operations will start on the 5th, but the first pig going through the pipeline will be launched in Lagos on the 7th of February. We expect to complete all our things by the 2nd of March.
Yeah.
That is the schedule we have now. So it's a 4-week window. It's a lot of work that will take place. Apart from the cleaning of the pipeline, we've got 2 major valves beneath the ocean that we have to change. One at Tema, the other one at Cotonou. And these valves are also very important because they control the flow into the stations. And this is the main pipeline cleaning, but the valves are also important because 2 years ago, we have to clean what we call the lateral, the pipeline which joins the main pipeline to our various stations. And those valves are important in making sure that you can do the cleaning exercise of the lateral. So there are 2 key things: the cleaning of the pipeline and the changing of the subsea valve. And we do hope that per the timelines we have, by the 2nd of March, we should have gone through all of that. Benoni has said, of the 150, I don't know, maybe you can work the percentage, but we have the reverse flow, which may be about 60. That is the firm. The rest may be coming from Nigeria. But it varies on a day-to-day basis. Depending on what we call the nominations, what the shippers are able to put into the gas pipeline. So I'm not that is only for Tema. So the total of the 150 is a combination of what is coming from Takoradi and what is coming from Nigeria. But on the whole, I mean, we have about, I would say, the majority coming from Nigeria, and then we've got the Western, or what we call the reverse flow, also supplementing what comes from Nigeria. But I think that we can give some much more detailed figures when maybe we settle down. The key thing is that you want to maintain the integrity of the pipeline. You want to maintain the integrity of the pipeline. So doing this inspection allows us to see, apart from cleaning the pipeline, we run what we call the intelligent pick. The intelligent pick has got all kinds of sort of instruments in it that actually looks at the inside condition of the pipeline. So after cleaning it, we'll run the intelligent pick that actually collects the data for us from Lagos all the way to Takoradi. And so we analyze the data, and that data will tell us whether the pipeline is in the condition that we want it. Are there corrosion effects? Are there anything? Or if there are any deformities, what are the mitigation measures that we have to take? So it's very important, the integrity of the asset, to make sure that we can operate it safely. If it's on land, it's okay. I mean, we still do.
Okay, so what we have done is, once we shut the lateral down, we'll be able to replace the valves. The valves are on our laterals. It has nothing to do with the offshore line. So there's a line from Nigeria, 20-inch line to Takoradi. It is about 569 kilometers. We'll isolate the lateral subsea. Then we can replace the subsea valves. It has nothing to do with. We'll be doing some venting as well in Tema to be able to carry out that activity.
Engineer Benoni, who is our superintendent for our Western operations, which cover both Ghana and Togo, to be able to give you that information.
So we are currently doing about 150 million square feet Tema, our facility, and that should be able to generate close to about between 800 to 1,000 megawatts. And we can go higher than that, but we're currently doing 150. Well, that's we need to look at the overall consumption, but we are not the only gas company. We have Ghana Gas also delivering gas in Takoradi.
Yeah, so minus Ghana Gas, that's what I'm trying to get.
Yeah.
We're looking at what percentage of our plant consumption of gas is coming from outside Ghana.
That I will not be able to give you an answer now, but I can only speak to what we are delivering in Tema, and that is about between 800 to 1,000 megawatts. The plant in Tema has a capacity of 235 million scoff. There have been instances that we have delivered up to the full capacity in Tema, and there are instances that we've gone below that. Averagely, we do around 150, 155 million scoff in Tema, and that should be able to generate a lot of power to complement whatever Ghana Gas is also doing in Takoradi. But well, that's we need to look at the overall consumption, but we are not the only gas company. We have Ghana Gas also delivering gas in Takoradi.
Yeah, so minus Ghana Gas, that's what I'm trying to get.
Yeah.
We're looking at what percentage of our plant consumption of gas is coming from outside Ghana.
That I will not be able to give you an answer now, but I can only speak to what we are delivering in Tema, and that is about between 800 to 1,000 megawatts. The plant in Tema has a capacity of 235 million scoff. There have been instances that we have delivered up to the full capacity in Tema, and there are instances that we've gone below that. Averagely, we do around 150, 155 million scoff in Tema, and that should be able to generate a lot of power to complement whatever Ghana Gas is also doing in Takoradi. But
Watch TV, promoting sustainable development.